How accurate is the story of Freydis Eiriksdottir? How accurate is the story of Freydis Eiriksdottir? This question takes us into the fascinating world of Viking exploration and the tales that have come down to us through the ages. Freydis Eiriksdottir is a notable figure in Scandinavian history, primarily known for her involvement in the Viking exploration of a land called Vinland, believed to be part of North America. Her story is captured into Icelandic sagas, the Saga of the Greenlanders and the Saga of Eric the Red. However, these sagas were written many years after the events they describe, which raises questions about how much of her story is fact and how much is fiction. In these sagas, Freydis is portrayed in two very different lights. In one version, she is depicted as a brave warrior who, while pregnant, defends herself and her companions against attackers with a sword. This paints her as a heroic figure. In another account, she is shown as ruthless and manipulative, involved in the murder of defenseless women. This duality presents a challenge in determining the true nature of her character. Looking at Freydis's story from a Scandinavian perspective, it fits into the larger narrative of Viking exploration. The Vikings were remarkable seafarers, known for their ability to navigate and settle in distant lands. The exploration of Vinland is a significant chapter in this history, marking one of the earliest European contacts with North America. However, the historical accuracy of Freydis's story is complicated by the lack of direct archaeological evidence linking her to specific locations in Vinland. While we do have archaeological findings that confirm Viking presence in North America, such as at Lonsox Meadows, there are no personal artifacts or inscriptions that can be directly tied to Freydis. In modern times, Freydis's character has been reinterpreted in various adaptations, including the Netflix series Vikings, Valhalla. These portrayals often take creative liberties, which may stray from the historical records. This can make it harder to separate fact from fiction in her story. Overall, while Freydis Eiriksdottir's tale is deeply rooted in Scandinavian history and folklore, its accuracy remains uncertain. The blending of myth and fact in the sagas, along with the limitations of historical records, makes it challenging to fully understand her true story.